in third gear, probably going like 60 some, because yeah, I'm on regular street tires right now, and I would not have like hooked if I was in another gear. Whenever I saw he gassed it, I gassed it. I'm pretty sure he was NA though. But still, that was pretty cool. Alright, what's up guys? So, got more parts that just came in the mail right now. And it's to fix my stupid oil catch can setup that I have right now. So there's nothing wrong with it, like the actual oil, like the actual catch can, the brand, it's UPR, it's good. It's just that when my ass put this together, I didn't know what I was doing with that, and I just kind of clicked here, clicked there, and I was like, oh, that should be fine. So those of you that know this right here, this top part is actually supposed to go on the driver's side. So this right here, this big knob looking thing is gonna click right here and then go to the intake. I forget if the top goes to the blower or this one, but I'm gonna see right now. I have pictures, but yeah, that needs to get fixed. So got the hose right here. It's 5/8. Let me see, where is it? Got this from UPR. Also got this right here. Got a breather for the passenger side. And this is gonna go where the oil cap is. And this should be the bottom part of the breather. Yeah. Let's see what else is in here. These right here are the ends that are gonna go in the hose. What else? And then I just got this right here is very important. This is the check valve, and I do not have one on the car right now, and I'm supposed to. And this is what, 245s? Yeah, so I should have everything I need to fix the oil catch can setup. Shit, pretty cool sticker. So yeah, I need to start fixing this, that way it's set up properly. Like I said, that breather is gonna go right here, and then gonna have to modify some hoses and whatnot, but should be good. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off and drain anything that's in there. Might as well, since I'm gonna be messing with that, and start cutting this hose. Too crazy. It was still doing its job. But yeah, just gonna drain this, and then I'm gonna take off that hose and see if there was still oil going into the side of the blower. I had it set up properly, like as far as the hose that was on top of the catch can is supposed to go to the valve cover, and then the bottom hose is supposed to go to the back of the blower. So I had that correct. It's just that I had the wrong damn hose on there, and I need a check valve on that hose. So that's all right. That's why we're doing this. All right. So I already put this in. It's pretty easy. So just cut the hose to the size I need. And these little ends right here. Slides on like that. And then 90. Oh, because you're recording. Oh. Hey, boom. Now, let's hope it fits. Boom, right here. Click. Spin this. Boom. That's good enough for me right there. Alright, hose has been modified. I forgot to order an extra one of these, the end caps. So I'm just gonna leave a small little clamp here for now till I order the other one. But this is going right here on the blower. Boom. It's good. This one goes here. And then this is going right here. Alright. Catch can is now properly set up. Looks a little weird over there because they're crossing, but it is what it is. On the S550s, I think they mount them over here, and the lines are going kind of at least together, you know, and then they split here. One for the breather here, and then the one goes to the blower. But whatever it's doing, it's gonna do its job there. So plus, that's the only spot kind of where I can put it. I mean, I'm sure I can put it somewhere else, but it's already been mounted there. So yeah, just gonna double check everything and then make sure we're good. Here's the other one. But everything worked out, except I forgot to order that one cap, but it's not that big of a deal. Back there? All right.